You're coming with us. Yeah, you are.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Told you we should approach the transport. Come on, let's pick him up.
This time, we are exporting the character with the animation and comparing it to importing animations directly into Unity, like we did in the previous episode. There are two key differences here. First, the character uses a basic humanoid armature without inverted kinematics. And second, the animation is imported into Blender first, then exported together with the character. In Mixamo, we upload the character without IK and download the animation without skin. Then we import the animation into Blender using standard settings that work well, following a simple import setup that's been reliable so far. Another important detail is the character's origin point. If it's not set to the feed, it affects how the character stays grounded in Unity. You can fix this in Unity as well, but the ambient in Blender gives more predictable results. After fixing the origin, we apply all transforms to both the mesh and the armature. We reuse the same export settings as before, but this time we bake the animation. Exporting the character with the animation from Blender fixes this and saves time tweaking animations in Unity. Now the character stays grounded and the animation plays correctly. Even without inverse schematics, importing Mixamo animations directly into Unity still causes issues, like the riot leg behaving unpredictably. At this stage, the basic armature works better for the workflow.
Hold them tight, hurry up.
Careful, step. Watch your head, watch your head.